Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. Today I want to have a look at a couple of things on Ethel quickly before the next video, hopefully, where we make a start on this nugget. So first things first, I'll open up the garage. I've got to move Ethel out of the way, bring that down, get it out of the way, bring Ethel back in and get it up on the hoist, and we'll have a look at a couple of things. So it's not going to be a very long video from me today, but yeah, I just want to look at a couple of things on this car, like the tail shaft guibo's in the right spot. I have to get the connection on that oil pressure sensor. I might look at the temperature sender for the temperature gauge. I'll see if I can find where that leak's coming from, but apart from that, that's about it. And then the next video I'm going to make a start on this nugget and give you guys a brief rundown of what it's going to be all about, so keep an eye out for that as well. But anyway, first things first, I've got to move some cars around. Yeah, so it looks like it's in the right direction. that's pretty much where I'm going to leave you today in this video. It's about all I really have to do on this car at the moment. I now have a uni to do, so I'll get one of those and fix up that, and that'll hopefully get rid of the tail shaft vibration. The pinion nut did go up a tiny bit, but not enough. I don't know, could just be me thinking that it's better, but it seems to be a bit better. Yeah, apart from that, I got I got the wire zip tied out of the way and terminal crimped on to the oil pressure sender. I nipped up the drain bung in hope that it's going to stop leaking, but yeah, other than that, it's pretty much done. Yeah, like I said, I don't really have anything else to do on this car at the moment. I just wanted to check over those couple of things quickly before I go and dive into this next project, which I'm about to start filming an introduction to that. So keep an eye out for the next video. It's going to be an introduction into the next build, what my plans are, what I'm going to be using in it, what it is, what I want to do with it, etc, etc. So I'm going to go get some lunch, drag the car out here, and I'm going to give it a wash, and then yeah, make a bit of a video about that. But anyway, huge shout out to Happ again for making a cool little hoist. I'm starting to get the hang of getting this balance dialed in, so I think next couple times I use it, I'll probably have that all in and sorted. The hoist is also going to make it nice and easy for me to do the build breakdown on this thing and really show you guys what's on the car, what I'm using, what I'm doing with it, and give a good rundown of what the go is with it. Oh, tyres are getting pretty spanked. Sick. Anyway, that's where I'm going to leave it here today, guys. Thank you all for watching. Leave a comment down below. Leave a like down below. Don't forget to go and get your merch. It's now cornfedboost.com. You can simply Google it. It'll take you to the website. I might even update the site to have a bit of an overview of this next project and what's going to be happening on it. So you can go and check out stuff there. I'll probably update that regularly the more I do on it. I've got a couple other things that I want to try out on this, and yeah, that's about it. Alright, well, thank you all for watching. Like I said, throw a like down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Sick. Well, that's one way to snap it in. Can tell that wasn't very strong. Look at that. It's one way to snap screwdriver. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, we've got a leak out of the back of the rocker cover there. Nothing out of there. And a leak out of that rocker cover there. Nothing out of the dipstick tube, thankfully, that I can see. Bit of oil there from that. Right.